हम अभी सऊदी अरबिया में मौजूद हैं जहां पर हज के अरकान शुरू होने वाले हैं और जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि हज के अरकान में यानी फ़रीज़ा हज में जो सबसे अहम है वो दरअसल अरफात के बाद मिना पहुंचना और मिना में पहुंचकर कुर्बानी अदा करना, ये सबसे बड़ा फ़रीज़ा है। लेकिन इतनी बड़े पैमाने पर ये आखिर कुर्बानी कैसे होती है जहां पर पूरी दुनिया के मुसलमान और तकरीबन हर मुस्लिम मुल्क के जो आज़मीन होते हैं वो पहुँचे होते हैं। इनकी तादाद लाखों में होती है। लाखों में इन आज़मीन की कुर्बानी आखिर किस तरह से हो पाती है, आपके जहन में भी ये सवाल उठता होगा। लेकिन आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि आखिर ये कुर्बानी का नज़्म किस तरह से होता है। दरअसल आज हम सऊदी अरब में मिना के करीब अदाही ग्रुप के उसी सेंटर पर पहुँचे हुए हैं जहाँ पर ये कुर्बानी का नज़्म किया जाता है। मेरे पीछे जिस तरह से आप ये पूरा स्लॉटर का सिस्टम देख पा रहे हैं, आज हमने इस सिस्टम को समझने की कोशिश की है कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर कुर्बानी की जाती है, पूरा ये किस तरह से ये नज़्म होता है और कितनी बड़ी तादाद में पूरा अमला इस पूरे सिस्टम को, इस पूरे नज़्म को एक तरह से हमकिनार करता है कामयाबी के साथ। आपको बताते चलें कि 84 घंटों में जो कुर्बानी का वक्त होता है, 3 दिन जो कुर्बानी और बकरा ईद के दिन होते हैं, इन 84 घंटों में तकरीबन 10 लाख से ज़्यादा जानवरों की कुर्बानी की जाती है और उसके बाद एक पूरे निज़ाम के तहत, एक पूरे सिस्टम के तहत ये जो कुर्बानी है ये एक तरह से अमल में लाई जाती है। ऐसे में आपको बताते चलें कि ये अदाही ग्रुप बहुत पहले से एक सिस्टम के तहत, एक निज़ाम के तहत इस अमल को अंजाम देता रहा है और ऐसे में जो आज़मीन पूरी दुनिया से सऊदी अरब पहुंचते हैं उनको जब कुर्बानी का अमल पूरा करना होता है उसमें अदाही ग्रुप बहुत अहम किरदार एक तरह से अदा करता है। किस तरह से तमाम चीज़ें होती हैं इस रिपोर्ट के ज़रिए हम आपको बताएंगे। आप न्यूज़ 18 उर्दू के साथ लगातार बने रहिए।
Adahi is the project that established by the government of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to serve the pilgrims in facilitating the executing of their Hady and Udhiyah for Nusuk. Adahi is the only governmental gate or arm that execute Hady and Udhiyah for all kind of Hujjaj, especially the pilgrims that coming from outside Saudi Arabia. Adahi is an old project that established since 1983 and for more than 43 years now Adahi is alhamdulillah serving many Hujjaj. The service of Adahi starts with selecting the animal or the sacrificed animal according to Sharia compliance, according to the health compliance, and executing the animal within the 84 hours, that is the Sharia window or the Sharia timing of executing Hady and Udhiyah. Then doing all the operational processes as we will see inshallah during our tour, ending with preparing those meat to be cut, backed and distributed to the needy people inside Saudi Arabia and outside Saudi Arabia for more than 27 Muslim countries. Now we will start our tour inshallah. This is one of 8 facilities that Adahi operates. The maximum capacity of all facilities is 1,200,000 head of sheep in 84 hours. And this is maybe the largest capacity of producing red meat in the world. After we finish inshallah the tour, we will have like 15 minutes to answer your questions. Good?
Okay.
Good, thank you so much. We will start our tour. This is the first operational area in our operational facilities. This area is one of other 10 areas in this exact facility. So in this facility we have other 10 areas exactly similar to this area. with the exact procedures and operational processes as we will be explaining in this area. Now we will start explaining the process from the first step of selecting the animal. So the animals comes into the operational area from those doors. As you can see, we have two sides. Each side contains 5 doors. From each door, we get the animals from inside the barns. Before entering the animal, it should be examined for Sharia specifications and for health specifications. If the animal is cleared from the door, then it comes to the slaughtering area. Where we are standing is the slaughtering area where we have the butcher slaughtering or executing the animal according to Sharia toward to Qibla and with the Islamic tasmiyah on each and every animal. The second step is executing the animal and left the animal to bleed for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then we hang the animal and transfer it to the next stage area upstairs to complete the processes. In this area where we will have the third stage and the fourth stage of our operation process. The third stage, we will be receiving the animals coming from downstairs, distributing the animals on the different lines. As you can see, we have different lines on the left side and right side. On each side and on each line, we have group of people who will do different process. Group of people removing the head and legs, other group of people removing the skin, other group of people removing the internal parts of the animal. So each group is working on different function just to accelerate and make the process as fast as possible. As you can see, we have different shooters. In each shooter, we will have different kind of leftovers. We will have shooter designated for the legs, heads, and internal parts. And there is a different shooter only for skin. Before going into that stage, we have another health and vet check exactly in this point where we are standing, to make sure that no carcass is passing without final check. Just to make sure that each and every carcass is moving to the next stage is according to the specification that we are having for all carcasses.
So who are checking? Are they designated doctors?
Doctors, yes, vets. As in the first stage, who are designating the live animal. Again, there are different doctors in that stage, different doctors here, and we have another doctor in the final stage. We only here executing sheep according to the some instructions from the designated authority in Saudi Arabia. No camels, no cows to be executing during Hajj season. There was a specific reason or suspicious that corona started from the camels in the origin. So just to keep extra caution for the Hujjaj and the health of Hujjaj, especially that we are located very nearby Mina. So there is an instruction that no slaughtering for camels and cows in these areas during Hajj seasons. After cleaning, we do sanitizing the carcasses to make sure that there are no bacteria, no viruses, even from air, to be touched for the carcasses. Then we count the carcass and we weigh the carcass with an electronic system to make sure that we have the efficient and exact number of each and every Hajj. And we wait because, as we said, we have a minimum weight, accepted weight for each carcass. So if the carcass is less than the accepted weight, we compensate that weight. Then the carcass comes outside. This is the cleaning tunnel. Then the green area is the counting and weighting system. Then the carcass come out and get into order in each line, ready to be dispatched to the freezing area. And now it's get bagged with the cotton bag, ready to be distributed from each room. As we see, there are different rooms along the corridor. From each room, carcasses comes out, distributed into freezer room. So this is a freezer room. It's closed because it's already running, ready for the operation after 2-3 days, inshallah. Each room contains 4,000 carcasses. We have 20 freezer room like this, and each one of this operated on minus 20 degrees. We are sending meat to Palestine for the last 5-6 years with a very tight coordination with the Egyptian government. As you know, there's the only way to enter to Gaza is from the Egyptian-Palestinian border. We keep the carcasses inside the freezer room until the end of Hajj season. After Hajj season, we start getting out the carcasses and get the process of cutting, bagging, cartoning, and getting ready for dispatching for the needy people.
Which are the countries to which they are sent?
I cannot list down the countries. We send to more than 27 countries.
Across Africa, Asia, or?
Across the world. From Indonesia to the other side of Africa.
Do you receive any applications for that, or you decide on your own?
Sometimes we receive applications. Sometimes we send to the needy countries according to the ranking of the United Nations of the needy countries. Then we extract the Muslims needy countries. Okay. Then we make our list of countries.
Based on the